Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said, young man, there's a way to solve that. I said, young man, it's called the FOIL method. It stands for first, outside, inside, and last. Young man, there's a method to use. I said, young man, when you don't know what to do, you can say this, and I'm sure you will find factoring to be easy. It is fun to FOIL. It is fun to FOIL. When you are stumped, it will help you factor the equation all the time. FOIL. It is fun to FOIL. You can check your work. You can have a great time. You can factor all the time. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, what about special cases? I said, young man, there are two of them, but you've got to know this one thing. The first special case is a binomial squared. Next is the difference of two squares. We will help you learn to solve them. It is fun to FOIL. It is fun to FOIL. It will definitely help you factor the equation all the time. FOIL. It is fun to FOIL. You can check your work. You can have a great time. You can factor all the time. Young man, take this equation. I said, young man, use the FOIL method. You can solve this really quick when you use the FOIL method. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, please FOIL this. First you multiply the first and outside, and do the inner, and finally the last. It is fun to FOIL. It is fun to FOIL. You can check your work. You can have a great time. You can factor all the time. FOIL. You'll find this easy using FOIL. Young man, there's no need to feel down. Young man, there's a way to factor that. FOIL. You'll find this easy using FOIL. Young man, there's no need to feel down. Young man, there's a way to factor that. FOIL.